Now we are starting the empanada factory. So she is the Gramma expert on how to do empanadas. This is what we need to do the dough is harina pan, and you can actually get it in Australia as well. Before this, we cooked the potatoes with some seasoning from the sancocho, actually from the soup. We're gonna put 1 of harina pan and 2 of water. We're gonna add a bit of warm water, not boiling hot, but warm. Incorporating the dough. Then we're gonna put a bit of chicken stock to add extra seasoning to the dough. Get it on the bench. Start rolling the dough. And also put a bit of brown sugar. Now we leave it resting. We're gonna do the Hogao. So we need to peel the tomatoes. And you will also need to put some spring onion. And we also need to put a bit of brown onion. We are peeling a bit of capsicum. And then after peeling the tomato, we need to cut it in small chunks. It is important that the cilantro goes in at the very end, otherwise it will get sour. Now we put a bit of oil and we're gonna start frying this a bit. So 2 full chicken sticks. It's important not to put extra salt because the chicken stock already has enough saltiness to it. Turn it off and then you can put it, otherwise it will get sour. And now we can mix the potatoes with the nice Hogao balls. And then we use the press. If it is getting stick into the plastic, you can put a bit of oil.
Ella hacía para la iglesia, yo hacía para la iglesia.
She will do it for church.
Hasta la
for
pandemia.
service.
Hasta la pandemia hacía para la iglesia.
That is how you get the crunch, having the border like this. I mean, Yuka has done better things in her life, but yeah, empanadas is not one of them.
Like dumplings is easier.
Yeah. So the oil needs to be super hot, like that it absorbs less fat and it gets crunchier faster. Between each batch, you need to wait the oil to warm up again a bit, otherwise it will absorb a lot of oil. Now they are beautifully golden. Look at that, damn. Empanada eater beast.
Oh,
Good.
so good.
Oh my god. Not very soft. Oh, perfect.
Ah,
Wow, really good.
Muy bien, muy bien.